Overwhelmed. Distracted. Stuck. The modern world pulls at your attention from every direction, and your best ideas get lost in the noise. What if you mastered you? The breakthrough isn't more hours, but better use of the hours you already have. Your journey starts now. This program shows you how to master your focus, time, and energy without burning out. Mornings shape everything. Start strong before the world makes demands. 10 minutes of calm. Breathe, reset, and choose intention over reactivity. Journal, clarify, align. Clear your mind, note a gratitude and set one intention. Move to think better. A few minutes of movement sparks energy and focus. Visualize priorities. See your top 3 outcomes before the day begins. Stack small wins. Water, bed, blinds. Momentum starts tiny. Mornings equals mastery. Weeks later you'll feel sharper and in control. EQ moves careers. Technical skills open doors. Emotional skills keep them open. Know your dashboard. Notice emotions, patterns, and triggers in real time. Pause, react. A breath before action can save a project. Listen to understand. Empathy builds trust, and trust drives outcomes. Lead with clarity. Be the one who simplifies, aligns, and helps the room win. Reflect, refine, repeat. End each day with 3 quick prompts. Small right-pointing arrow. Massive. 1% better daily transforms everything. Design your cues. Let your space nudge the right action. Pair with pleasure. Attach habits to things you enjoy. 2-minute start. Shrink the habit until it's effortless to begin. Reward the repeat. Track streaks, celebrate small wins. After X, I will Y. Anchor new behaviors to old ones. Be the type of person. Habits stick when they match your identity. Work with your rhythm. Match tasks to your natural energy peaks. Guard your gold hours. Treat focus blocks like unmissable meetings. Fuel the mind. Sleep, eat, move, and recover like a pro. Attention leaks time. Protect focus like it's money. Measure the leaks. Track interruptions for 1 week. Turn off. Batch on. Mute and batch to reclaim hours. Build barriers. Make distraction hard. Focus easy. Fine-tune your system. Keep what works. Drop what doesn't. An extra day per week. One consultant cut pings and gained a workday. 2 minutes to calm. Breathe and reset on demand. Important over urgent. Reclaim time for meaningful work. Sprint. Breathe. Repeat. Short bursts keep momentum alive. Schedule your priorities. What's scheduled gets done. Automate the back and forth. Let AI protect your peak hours. Workflows that think. Use tools that organize for you. Tame the email beast. Batch, template, and prioritize. Track, block, grow. Adopt one tool at a time. Strategic no's. Every yes costs another yes. Protect yours. Polite, firm, clear. Keep ready scripts for saying no. Think before committing. Wait before big decisions. Systems, not wishes. Break vision into steps you can follow. Plan.